Alright, today in MechLab 115, we're looking at parallel circuits and their resistance in the series. Today using our breadboard, we're powering up using one resistor to run two LEDs, and the second part of the parallel circuits to find the difference in resistance is two resistors and two LEDs. Red ones are for the circuit with one resistor. Blue LEDs are running the two resistors. Today we only have the 470 resistors. Still don't have any 560s. Today each set is sitting on an on-off switch that's off board because I don't have the micro switches either. Anyways, there's the red circuit with the one resistor, and then the blue with the two resistors. After laying out our board with the 470 resistors, the one set and the second circuit, we're laying out our tools today that we need is the multimeter to help us read what volts and ohms we might be using on said circuit. Our Arduino and a 9-volt power supply plugged into the 5-volt section on the Arduino jack, and then sorted jumper wires. I used blue and black, blue for positive on the 5 and black for negative. Jumper wires also going to the on-off switches, red for the second circuit, and then black for the first circuit. Jump wires, and then we've also got helper staples wires that are jumping from negative, and then down here negative again, and then this is positive jump, and then this is positive jump to there, and then completing the rest of the circuit. Help with multimeter, and then proper layout of breadboard as far as procedure. Using Staples Researchers LEDs. Please reference sketch for layout of proper circuit. There. We've got circuit number 2 and number 1. And then J is equal to jumper wire, pin is for header, and then LED is for the lights. Power up the circuits with our 5-volt jack from the Arduino. We've done that already. And as we could see earlier, we've got power. They are kind of hard to read while they're on, so I will shut one off at a time. If all is well, all 4 LEDs should be illuminated when we have all the switches on. 2 from one resistor, like I said already, and their own resistors on the second circuit, 1 resistor for each light. Using the multimeter in this section, set on the volt section of the dial to measure the volts. I've done it once already. It is kind of difficult because everything is a little small. On our first circuit, we are running before the resistor, we're running 4.99. After the resistor, on the first circuit, we're running 2.17, which are very similar numbers to what I had before for the math. So I'm going to go with the numbers I had before, which are 0.01 from another. So on to the second circuit, we're going to come over to the positive. It's a little touchy. We got resistor 1 before the circuit. We're running 4.98. And on the second resistor, been a little touchy. Bear with me. 4.98 again. Thank you. So back up to the first resistor. On the other side of the resistor, we're looking at 3.88, 3.89 is what I had on the first reading. And then the second resistor, we're sitting at 3.45, which is different. I'm surprised, but it's been consistent throughout. So with those readings, I'm supposed to be using Ohm's law and record the findings. I'm still not sure on the math as far as amps and everything else. As far as I know, looking at it, using the math and the volts for the law, the first circuit, I'm getting what I think is 0.008, and then on the second reading on the two circuits, I'm getting 0.007 and then 0.008 again. The first circuit is 0.004, which I don't think is correct, so don't school anybody on it. So in conclusion, my findings are probably still incorrect. Analysis, I still have some more work to do. Anyways, that's the end of this lab. Thank you.